Okay, now
Welcome
that we're
back. So you can see we moved the bottom door hinge from here to here. All that was involved with that was removing the torque screws and flipping over the actual hinge, just a little cap, and this just unscrews, screw it back in, flip it over. So
now we're ready to put the door back on.
another thing, the original screws that are on this side, you put them in here to cap them. So
we'll get our hinge up here, ready to install. Kyle will lift the door. Full of goods.
here, you hold the door, I can see from over here. Another screw.
You want to make sure you get it in the right holes because you don't want to drill new holes.
Step ladder or something.
If we switch spots, I probably have to
Right there.
punch it. So, here's the last one. Now we reinstall the cover plate. And that's pretty much it.
And there you have it. You got a reverse swinging door.
You may want to put some silicone in the old holes just to fill them up. And besides that, let's get into the pints. Thank you very much.